What up, good people? Huge shout out to Priority Acura for allowing me to view the 2024 Acura Integra. Today we're introducing the 2024 Acura Integra. This particular model wrapped in a majestic black pearl for the length 186 inches, height 55 inches. This have a wheelbase of 107 inches with a ground clearance of 5.1 inches. This particular model have an MSRP of $36,000. Right here we're looking at a 1.5 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder powered by VTEC pushing out 200 for the torque, 192 at 3,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 36, city, 29. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at an 18-inch alloy wheel with disc brakes in all four corners. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with red and black leather seats. Right here we're looking at a digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your engine temp with your RPMs. On the right you have your gas gauge with your MPH. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you can go through your tire pressure, gauge display, driving tension, and all the other good stuff. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go through your music, Bluetooth, customized display, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your menu button. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your lane keep assist with your plus and minus paddle shifters. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your traction control button. Looking down on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Beneath the radio you have your radio shortcuts. You have your dual climate control. In the cubby area you have your USB and your 12-volt outlet. The buttons right here are your drive mode with your auto start feature alongside your electronic parking and your parking hold. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a continuous variable. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with red and black leather seats. Looking down on the door pane, you have your one-touch window control. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 24.3 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of golf clubs in here. Once again, huge shout out to Priority Acura for allowing me to view the 2024 Acura Integra. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.